Yeah, I know. You don't want to break your other arm either, right?
That's how I broke my arm.
On here?
No, I got a deck up by the office.
Yeah, I tell you, I fell out the back of the truck here a couple of weeks ago. Cracked a rib in here.
That hurts.
And it's like still hurting me, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna hurt for a long time.
All right. Here, dingo. Come on then. Yeah. All right, so this is a Western Red Cedar, and you can see in here the folds. Typically, you'll find a lot of nests. These Western Red Cedars get hollow inside, and when a hole is created or opening is created, over time, as the tree gets older, the opening will close up. And to test that, I've actually punctured through these folds and found old cavities and old nests. I can tell by, obviously by finding old comb and propolis resin as well. Now, this is not so obvious that there's something in here, in this fold, but sometimes you'll see in these folds a lot of propolis at the entrance. Not the case here. Makes it a little bit more difficult. That's why I just inspect every tree. So anyway, let's have a wee look inside. Yeah, you can see this comb that's dropped down. Looks like it's broken off. But this tree is very hollow. So the bees are probably all the way up inside this cavity here. Lots of propolis. Can't see anything. But mind you, it's just after the ice storms here. So we'll come back here when it gets consistently above 50 degrees and monitor this nest. Happy hunting, guys. And by the way, consider sponsoring me through Patreon. I donate a lot of log hives and swarms and cutouts. I don't charge for it. As long as people are not treating or feeding the bees, I'll give that out for free. So, thank you guys.